Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to fix thread tension on your sewing machine. If you are working on a sewing project and your stitches look as horrible as this, I'm going to show you how to fix them with very easy steps. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial after this short break. Okay, so to demonstrate, I'm going to be using this piece of fabric. As you can see, it's a green cotton fabric. I'm just going to start stitching on my sewing machine, and as you can see, the stitches are very untidy. There are so many loops, both up and down. So this is the thread tension. It can be so annoying, but I'm going to teach you how to easily fix it. Okay, so how are we going to fix this? The solution to our problem is in our bobbin and the tension discs. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to tighten my bobbin case with my screwdriver. As you can see, I'm going to tighten this little screw because my tension in the bobbin is very loose. So I'm just going to tighten it, move it a bit, and then I'll put my thread back. And next I'm going to tighten my tension discs. So these are the tension discs. Every machine has them. Other machines have this kind of tension disc. So let's test after tightening our tension discs to see how it's going to stitch. So as you can see, the stitch looks so beautiful and the loops are no longer there. The stitch is so neat, it's so beautiful. Let me just zoom it in and show you guys. Okay, so that's the stitch after tightening the tensions in my bobbin and the tension disc up on the sewing machine. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.